Hey guys, want to get Robux using Apple Pay? So here's the easiest way to do it. So firstly guys, open the Roblox app and make sure you're logged in into the account you want to buy Robux for. After that, just tap on the Robux icon at the top right corner. This will open up the Robux purchase screen, or you can just navigate straight from the Google search. Now you can select how much Robux you want to buy. As you can see, we have this list of available 6 presets, as you can see. So for example, you want to buy 2000. Just click, and now you can continue to your checkout. So you'll see options like, as you saw, 400, 800, and etc. more as well. So once you choose a package, the Apple Pay screen will pop up. Just double click the side button and use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the purchase. And after the payment is complete, your Robux will be added instantly to your account. And now you're ready to spend them on games, outfits, or anything you want. So if Apple Pay doesn't show up, make sure you've added a valid card to your Apple Wallet and that in-app purchases are enabled in your device settings. And that's it. Buying Robux with Apple Pay is fast, safe, and super easy. Guys, if you enjoyed, press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon.